How to perform the hepatojugular reflux maneuver. In patients with heart failure, the blood that backs up enters the liver and leads to liver congestion. That's why the liver is completely engorged with blood and swollen. And if we place our hand on the liver and apply pressure, the blood present in the liver will be expelled. It enters the IVC and then the SVC, and when it reaches the SVC, it distends the JVP. By using this feature and performing this maneuver, we can detect heart failure, especially right-sided heart failure. To perform this maneuver, we place the palm of our hand on the liver area, that is, the right upper quadrant. We press gently for 10 seconds. And then we observe the patient's JVP. If the JVP increases by more than 3 centimeters and remains elevated for 15 seconds, we call this a positive hepatojugular reflux, which indicates heart failure.